Hey Teachable course creators, have you seen this dreaded message? If you have, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Welcome to Melanin Man Travels, your passport to freedom, fulfillment, and financial independence awaits you. We're breaking barriers, building legacies, one journey at a time. Are you ready to level up your life and write your own global success story? Let's go. There is a select group of Teachable users that have the free plan who are not able to get their courses published. I was one of them. Unfortunately, the free users only have the knowledge base to assist them with questions. That is why I created this video. This video is only information about publishing courses, as I have not yet used the other product services like coaching. I have had the hardest time to get my course to correctly publish on Teachable. After days of reading the knowledge base, researching and watching multiple videos, I finally figured out why my course was not being published. There are multiple settings that must be enabled in order for your course to be published. And again, there is not a lot of information on the internet that covers all of these bases. If all of these areas are not enabled, you'll get the message, this product is not available. Contact the school administrator. Here are the areas that must be enabled. School pages and home pages must be set up and published. This is what the template for the school page looks like. You also want to edit this page to make sure that the photos and the verbiage align with your school's branding. Here is how you navigate to the page. You click Site from the menu, and then you navigate down to Pages. Once you're there, this page must be published by selecting the three dots and then choosing Publish. Once your school has been published, now the course itself must be published. From the main menu, you want to click Courses. This will bring up the list of courses that you have entered into Teachable. Once you've navigated to the course, you will see to the right either the word unpublished or published, as you see circled in this example. Click the three dots and then select Publish, and then your course will be available. If your course still isn't published, it's possible that you haven't given your students full access yet. From the menu, you want to select the information link. That will bring you to a page that shows course settings. You'll select that, and then you'll go down to the bottom under drip settings. To the far right, there will be a button that says grant full access. You want to click this, and then the course will be set. As I stated before, there are a lot of elements to publishing a course. It's possible that you have not published your pricing yet. From the main menu, you want to select Sales Pages. Then in the menu, you want to select Pricing. This will bring you to a menu where you can select your pricing plan that you've already established for this course. If you haven't yet established one, please refer to the knowledge base in the Teachable website. Once you've selected the pricing plan, this should be the final step. Well, we've come to the end of this course. These are all of the areas that I found that were preventing my course from being published. Once you've enabled all of them, you should be good to go. If this information has been helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with a friend. Thanks for watching.